Namaste, beautiful souls. Welcome to Cow Mantra, Embrace Divine Grace, your sacred space for spiritual wisdom, divine mantras, and soulful transformations. Whether you're here seeking peace, enlightenment, or answers to life's deepest mysteries, we're so grateful you've joined us on this journey. Sit back, open your heart, and let the divine light guide you.
In our modern era of relentless distraction and digital overload, where attention spans shrink by the year and genuine human connection becomes increasingly rare, the timeless wisdom of the guru-disciple relationship offers an antidote to the spiritual malnutrition plaguing contemporary society. This sacred bond, known in Sanskrit as Guru-Shishya Parampara, represents far more than a simple teacher-student dynamic. It is humanity's most sophisticated and time-tested system for transmitting not just information, but transformation. Not just knowledge, but embodied wisdom. Across cultures and centuries, from the forest ashrams of Hindu rishis to the Zen monasteries of Japan, from the desert retreats of Sufi mystics to the cave hermitages of Tibetan yogis, this relationship has served as the crucible in which ordinary consciousness is alchemized into extraordinary awakening. What makes this ancient tradition suddenly so relevant to our smartphone-addicted age? Modern neuroscience now confirms through fMRI studies and brainwave research what spiritual adepts have proclaimed for millennia: that the authentic guru-disciple connection creates measurable, physiological changes in both participants. When a genuine spiritual bond forms, researchers observe remarkable phenomena like neural coupling, where brainwaves synchronize, enhanced neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, and even alterations in gene expression related to stress response and cellular repair. This isn't metaphorical language, it's biological reality. The guru-shishya relationship quite literally rewires the disciple's nervous system, but only when the connection is authentic and the vessel pure. Herein lies our modern predicament. In today's spiritual marketplace, where enlightenment is packaged and sold like a consumer product, where self-proclaimed gurus measure their success in Instagram followers rather than liberated disciples, how do we distinguish the genuine from the counterfeit? The ancient texts provide surprisingly practical guidance. A true guru, according to traditions ranging from Advaita Vedanta to Christian mysticism, consistently demonstrates certain irreplicable qualities: radical humility, never claiming special status or powers; financial transparency, traditional gurus live simply and don't commercialize wisdom; emotional maturity, they challenge rather than coddle the ego; and most importantly, they always point you back to your own inner authority rather than creating dependency. As the famous Zen saying goes, if you meet the Buddha on the road, kill him, meaning even the concept of an external savior must ultimately be surrendered. The great paradox of the guru relationship is that its ultimate purpose is to make itself unnecessary. Like a mother bird pushing her chicks from the nest, the authentic guru's final gift is showing the disciple how to find the guru within. This delicate dance between guidance and self-reliance becomes even more complex in our digital age, where technology offers both unprecedented access to authentic masters and an overwhelming flood of spiritual counterfeits. YouTube gurus promise enlightenment in 10-minute clips while apps offer instant awakening subscriptions. A far cry from the 12 years Arjuna spent with Krishna or the decades Milarepa trained under Marpa. Yet the solution isn't to reject technology but to apply ancient discernment tools to modern contexts. This means valuing substance over style, preferring depth to popularity, and remembering that true transmission requires not just hearing teachings, but embodying them through disciplined practice. It means looking beyond charismatic personalities to examine lineages. Has this teacher been properly trained within an authentic tradition? Do their long-term students demonstrate real transformation rather than blind devotion? Most importantly, does being in their presence evoke your own inner wisdom rather than dependency on their external authority? As we navigate this crossroads between ancient wisdom and modern life, the guru principle remains our most reliable compass. Not as a personality to worship, but as a mirror reflecting our highest potential, and as a guide who walks the path ahead of us just far enough to light the way but never so far that we lose sight of our own footsteps. In a world drowning in information but starved for wisdom, where we can Google anything but truly understand little, this timeless relationship model offers a lifeline back to meaning, connection, and ultimately, to our truest selves. If this resonated, smash that like button, subscribe for more wisdom, and tell us in the comments. Have you found a true spiritual guide? What red flags have you spotted in fake gurus? Thanks for watching. Until next time, remember, the best guru doesn't give you answers. They help you hear your own truth.